Hey y'all, it's your girl, it's Shay Baby, and today I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. Just letting you know, I am not bragging or anything, just showing you guys what I got, cause you know that's what people do. Like, it's a nice video to make. I know I don't really make videos that often. That's only because I be busy and all that. Nah, let me stop acting like. But yeah, I be busy and everything. I be working and I'll be taking other people's shifts, so you know I don't really get much time off, and I don't be having ideas, so you guys can just like comment whatever you want to see. Cause so the first thing I got this body wash set. You know, every girl gets it every Christmas, cause first of all I actually want it. I picked it out cause I think it'll smell good. It's like a vanilla. It's a coconut lime scent. So this is the body mist spray. It smells so freaking good. Let me smell it. And I got this body lotion. I needed lotion because I'm very ashy, if you haven't noticed. And this shower gel. So yeah. The next thing I got is this body scrub. Woo woo. It's cruelty free and it's all natural. It's 100% vegan. It's lemon verbena, whatever. But yeah, and it smells very good. It smells so good. It smells like lemonade, to be honest. And I got this body butter too, that my sister gave me. It's cruelty free, shea butter, you know, all that good stuff. And the scent is coconut water. So the next item she gave me was this face mask. It's a pillow face mask. It's actually black. Let me, sometimes the black stuff be coming out. It's a face mask, a little face mask. It's actually, it smells like perfume. And the next thing I got is this makeup set. You know, I got a makeup set. I'm gonna show you everything I got in it. So this is called Beauty Insight. I don't know what that is, but it's obviously a brand. But this is a color corrector palette and all that, and it's really good actually. I use it on me because I'm having skin issues. And this eyeshadow palette, I like the colors. It's like a shimmer. I never used it yet. And what else? I got like brush. So I got lip gloss that came with it, and this brow pencil. This don't even look like a brow pencil. It looks like lip liner. I got this wonderful, what's it called, lip gloss. It says lip gloss, but it's like a chapstick, to be honest. Like when you put it on, and it smells like cocoa butter. So good. And I got these lipsticks that I probably won't use, but I'm still gonna keep them. So I got these cute little brushes that went with it. They're not the best quality, but they're pretty good. The best one is the blush brush, because I don't know, and the eyebrow brush. Yeah, and I got these little brushes I can add. Yeah. This mascara, it's pretty good. I got this eye primer. This face primer is very moisturizing. I like this actually. And I got this face highlighter. I never used face highlighter. The ones that go under the foundation, I never used it. So, I'm making a video. Oh, sorry. Oh, you can sit on the bed. Hi. And, the last thing I got, I think this is the last thing. I'm probably missing out like the little brushes that come with it. Is this brow pomade. It's actually pretty good, but it's actually a little lighter than normal. So I had another makeup set that I got. I took it out of the box, so I'm gonna show you what I got in it. It's like, you know. So I got all these eyeshadows, and I have these that came with it too. This is like the bronzer. I only have used this before. The highlight contour sucks. The illuminating one actually works pretty good. The highlight, like these ones is too light for me. It's like looks ashy. The blush I don't use, is too light on me. And I got a bunch of nail polishes that come with it, you know, yada yada. I don't really paint my nails, but I'll try to do that more often. Another thing I got with it was these you know, lipsticks that I probably won't use because I have the same ones from last year. Another thing I got is these lip liners. These actually are pretty good. They're nice and creamy. It's nice and good. And these little brushes that I probably won't use because they break very easily. Oh, and this came with the other thing too. It's actually pretty tough, so I might use it. The next thing that I got that I'm pretty happy for is this e.l.f. palette. You know, I gotta do a caption, so like. So yeah, I got this e.l.f. palette that's pretty cool. It got like a whole lot of colors that I actually like. It's like mostly neutral colors. And yeah, it's pretty pigmented. I used it on me today. I don't know if you noticed. So this is my stock. Hold on, it got like little things from the box. This is my stocking, and I'm gonna show you what I got in it. You know, I stuffed them myself. I had a honey bun and Dove chocolate. I got donuts and a bunch of candy, gum, some Twix, lollipops, all that good stuff, like Hershey Kisses. It's about to fall out. The Mr. Goodie bar, I like that one. Snickers, Hershey Kisses. Yeah, so that was in my stocking. And I think that's all I got for Christmas. It's not that much, but I asked for all of that in a mirror. I'm getting that soon. Oh wait, one more item. One of the important ones. I got an Ulta Beauty gift card. Show money on it. So I'm gonna go get me some lashes and some new foundation and some new makeup, so I can be just as poppin' as I already am. So yeah. But it's not about the gifts. That's not what Christmas is about. But I appreciate everything that I got. I love everything that I have. And yeah. And my brother gave me a Snicker that I'm about to eat. And that's all I have. So Merry Christmas! And I hope you like this video and everything. So if you liked it, you can like give it a thumbs up if you want, or like, yeah. But yeah, have a merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you eat lots of good food tonight, play some games, have fun with your family. That's what I'm gonna do tonight. So yeah, follow me on my social media below. What else? Yeah, that's it. Bye.